We're back at SEMA 2025. I'm in the March booth. I'm with my friend Casey. Casey,
hello.
What is March and what do you guys do?
We manufacture aftermarket drive assemblies with billet aluminum. We carry accessories, fancy air cleaners, hood hinges, pretty much engine compartment dress-up items. We carry drive systems in Serpentine as well as individual V-belt pulleys and brackets. This is a lot of our new product lines here, which is our new Evo series. This is an 8-rib drive system. It's available for multiple manufacturers such as Chevy, Ford, Chrysler. What's unique about these style of kits is the decorative cuts in the pulleys. They have kind of a really cool wheel design to them, something new, more of a three-dimensional kind of look with it. What's nice is all of the components in the system do carry a lifetime warranty with them from us. So in the event if you have any issues with alternator or compressor failure 5-10 years down the road, just give us a call and we're able to warranty it out for you, keep you on the road. Pretty much same goes with any of our components. We carry components from GM 10SI to CS130 cased alternators in a wide range of 100 amp to 140. We have 240 and 320 and 350 also coming available here pretty soon. Compressors from the Sandin 7176 to the 508 style. Saginaw P-Series pumps in both press fits and keyway. We also have multiple different styles of water pumps versus mechanical, and now we also now have electric water pumps. I believe those are a 42 gallon per minute flow rate, which is pretty nice. Type 2 style power steering pumps, fabricated reservoirs.
So you have everything for like all the old school engine, all the small block, big blocks. What do you have for late model?
Late model, we Chrysler applications. We have the Gen 3 Hemi setup, which is over here in the corner.
Yeah, my viewers tend to do a lot of swaps, putting things in things that they're not supposed to. And so we kind of need a few solutions for that. So what you got?
That's what makes hot rodding. We have this set up here for the Gen 3 Hemi. It's kind of built off the 5.7 platform. It does require air conditioning, so it's great for swaps that are going to have air. Utilizes a CS130 cased alternator. With that, we have the option of utilizing a 320 amp alternator if need be for the high amperage requirements. Power steering is a GM Type 2 style pump, so that'll function most steering boxes and racks. We have a couple different style finishes available. This is billet with clear powder coat, so as you see it is how it is. Glass cleaner and soft rags keep them clean. We also offer chrome plating as a finish, all black, and then our black Onyx series. See these style kits where we have the bracket gets done in a black powder coat, all the edge cut, allows the billet to kind of show through, breaks up all the shininess, gives it more of a technical look. And then we have air cleaners for the newer style fuel injection or the old style 4-barrel carbs, just to kind of enhance the top of the motor and give it a little style.
I'm assuming you guys make these guys in-house too?
Yes, sir. Everything is machined in-house.
Sweet. So let me ask you this. This finish and this finish are basically the same finish, but this one's got the machined edges.
That's
and
correct.
This one doesn't, right?
Correct. And we offer that style of finish with the machined edges on all the different bracket styles themselves. So this one here we're just kind of showing as like an OEM kind of look, where it's got cast components, just black bracketry, black pulleys, none of the decorativeness, just designed for function only. Not everything has to be super shiny, especially on all your daily driver type swaps. Which we can do for any of the kits. Give you a stripped down version that's just strictly functional.
When you mean stripped down version, like in terms of what? Just like
eliminating like the decorative items, such as all these fancy covers. See how this one's missing the decorative covers?
Oh,
it's really just a functional system.
And do you have a kit where you don't include the accessories?
A lot of our kits are available just as bracketry or individual pulleys. We've been manufacturing parts for almost 40 years, so we have individual pulleys, OEM replacement V-belt pulleys, individual brackets, pretty much try to cater to anything front end accessory wise.
Okay, what do you have for the Ford guys?
The Ford guys, we pretty much cover almost all Ford platforms, from the Ford Flathead to the 351 Cleveland. We have small block 302, 289, 351 Windsors, the Ford FEs, your 390 FE motors, as well as the 429 and 460 big blocks, which would be these style of kits over here. And again, we have a kind of a 2-platform level. We have the real compact single plate style, includes all the components, all modern style components. And then we have the individual bracketry style, which is, you know, if you already have a water pump and an alternator, you don't have to purchase ours. We can reuse your existing components. Keeps the cost down, or if, like I said, if you already have brand new items, there's no need to replace them. And we can do these in different configurations, from the drag race guy that's just driving an alternator and a water pump, to the full complete systems with air conditioning and power steering.
What do you have for like the Coyotes?
The Coyotes we have over here, again, the same thing. We can do them in different configurations, from driving just an alternator only, alternator and power steering, or we can add air with it. We even have the option to add in some of the inline 6-rib supercharger setups. We've had this one out for quite a few years, so fitment we've had in pretty much, you know, early Mustangs to Fox bodies to all your Ford truck applications. It's pretty tried and true at this point.
So if you were to guess, or if you have a good idea, what are a few things that you guys do that not a lot of other guys do? Like, what applications do you guys have?
We have a lot of kind of unique platforms, such as Gen 1 Hemi, as well as AMC motors, the old 304, 401 AMC setups for Jeeps and Javelins and all those old cars. And again, kind of the same options available for all of them. We can do setups with air conditioning, without air, just alternator, power steering only. We can dress them up, or we can, you know, reduce them down to where they just have more of an OEM look to them.
So aside from accessory drives, you guys also make your own hinges, right? That's what these are?
That's correct. And these are all designed to have the little style cues from a lot of the bracketry. So it gives you, when you're looking at a bracket system, the hinges actually kind of match in design. What's unique about the hinges is the amount of adjustability that's included with them. They have a cam button design, which allows a left and right movement with the hood, as well as the slots, which allow forward and back adjustment for the hood. And then we also have the slotted adjustments for the fender bracketry that give the up and down movement of the hood. Allows you to kind of tweak and get a little bit better fitment than just a fixed adjusted hood. We offer a wider range of thermostat housings. We can do them with different style barb fittings. We also have AN 16 and 20 attachments. We have some kind of universal ones. This is a pretty neat little item. This allows you to convert a standard barb fitting to an AN 16 or 20, and it's based upon the hose or the barb fitting diameter, and it works kind of like if you ever seen the old garden hoses where repair kits, it
right.
Seals at the base and then really just converts it to an AN male fitting. So instead of cutting and welding an AN fitting to it, this allows it to just be bolted on. There's a lot of threads.
Oh, I see.
Also offer interior door handles, window cranks, and we have those in different sizes. Again, we offer a couple different styles as well. Give you a little choice. We do like the slots, triangles. I think we even have a carbon fiber set out now as well. And same thing with the shifter handles, as you can see those. All designed with a matching style to them. All machined from Billet. We have different coating options. We can do the raw aluminum to where they can be high polished. We do the black anodized or clear anodized to prevent them from oxidizing.
Well, I've got two questions. I'll start with the handles first. These are all like a polished aluminum. Do they come in different finishes as well?
Yes. We can do these in the edge cut, just like this, to match the rest of the items that we carry. Or we can do these in an all black anodize, or as you're seeing them there, in a clear anodize.
All right. So my following question is, are these? Why do they have a bolt between the mounting bolts and the handle? What is this?
So this here allows pivot adjustment or angle adjustment. So it's got, I forget how many degrees, I think about 10 degrees of adjustability for the throw of the shifter.
Okay, so it can go basically all the way straight up or?
Straight back, correct. Or about 45 degrees back.
And what did you say these will fit?
These fit all the Tremec like T5, T56, Magnum transmissions. What we have is a couple different heights and then a few different shift knob selections. But your standard shift knob would work as well. But
you guys sell the shift knobs separately?
That's correct.
So do you have other styles aside from these three that are
those are currently the only 3 styles we offer. These are brand new. That just came out this past year.
Oh, really? Are you guys planning to expand on the shift knob line?
Possibly. Let's see how, we usually do like a launch of a product and see how well it takes off. If so, we may add in quite a few more designs.
Okay. I really love the adjustability of this because actually the shifter on my Challenger sits forward, the base of the shifter sits forward, and so it needs to have kind of an angle back. On my dad's car, it doesn't have that problem, so you could have the shifter straight up and down. So if you were looking for a particular style, I guess at this point you just kind of pick what you like and then adjust it and then
correct,
kind of let it go.
That's the whole point behind it, is to give the adjustability to it, so it's not such a fixed thing and not trying to cut out a piece of a column to make it work.
Right, which is normally what I like to do.
All right, so as I mentioned earlier, with the electric water pumps that we offer, we do also offer mounting solutions for components for them. We do have bracketry and pulley drive systems for running air conditioning, power steering, alternator for the electric water pump setups as well. Some of the different motor applications also, we can do them in Ford, Chevy, Chrysler with the electric water pumps.
Okay, so you already have the applications, they're just not here?
That's correct. Yeah, unfortunately, we can only display a small amount of the items that we have.
I mean, we're like in a 20 by 20 booth, and you guys have filled it up to the brim with accessory drives. I think I can forgive you for not having like 2 or 3 or 5 electric water pump drives.
It's the same thing for LS applications. We have just kind of like your driver type setups or builder type kits, as we'll call them, right, to slightly dressed up to even more fancier. We have systems where we come out the components up high for like your street rod applications, down low if you're trying to tuck and hide stuff. We also have wide mount kits for the ease of access of the components. So LS drive systems, we have tons of different options. So if you have something that you're stuck with, fitment wise, definitely reach out to us. I'm sure we'll be able to help you out with it.
So let me ask you a question. Do you guys have more small block Chevy kits or more LS kits?
Definitely probably more small block Chevy kits, but the LS option is pretty close behind it. As far as both platforms go, we have drive systems that will get fitment of components into pretty much every application. Small block Chevy, I mean, we've been doing for 40 years, so there's going to be more style stuff behind it, but LS is definitely coming up right behind it.
All right, so if somebody has questions or they need some advice on what they need to buy, where can they go?
You can reach out to us at Merch Performance via phone call and speak to one of our knowledgeable tech staff. You can email us, contact us on any of our social media platforms as well.
All right, well, Casey, thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Yes, sir. It was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.